Yes, viewers, now we will discuss about area of circle as well as circumference of circle, and then what is the semicircle, how to find area of semicircle, how to find circumference of semicircle, and then the quarter of a circle, how to find that one area as well as perimeter of that quarter of a circle. So, as we all know that in a circular shape, and a circle is defined as a set of points which are equidistant from a fixed point, that is called circle. So we use the formula of area of circle A is equal to pi r squared. Then circumference is basically the total outer length of a circle, which is called perimeter as well. And we use that formula C is equal to 2 pi r, or sometimes we use this formula C is equal to pi d. D is basically diameter, which represent the total length of the diameter. And 2r is basically equal, like diameter is the double of radius, so you can write this formula as well. After this, we have a semicircle, which is called the half of the circle. And for that semicircle, how to find the perimeter? We need the outer length, this one, which represent pi r, and this length, which is called diameter, so r plus r. So as you can see that 2r, they write the perimeter equal pi r plus 2r. So this is called the perimeter of semicircle, and half of the area means divide by 2. That is called the area of semicircle. When they divide into 4 part of that circle, that is called quadrant. Quadrant is a quarter of a circle, and area is very easy, just divide by 4, because we know that the area of circle, which is pi r square, so divide by 4. And how to find the perimeter? So this length is basically half of pi r. This is pi r, so half of pi r is means pi r divided by 2 plus r. This is r, and this side is also r, so it is equal to r. So these are the basic rules I will apply. Then Pythagoras theorem and other similarity concept, you know that, so we will apply those at the end of this chapter. But first exercise, we need these rules. So let's have a look how to solve question 1. They want us find the perimeter and area of each of the following shapes, giving answer to 3 significant figure. All dimensions are in centimeter. All arcs and parts of circles are given. So remember 2 more formulas, like how to find arc length. Arc length of a circle is equal, x represent angle, okay, over 360 multiply 2 pi r. And how to find sector area? Sector area, that formula is almost same, x over 360 multiply pi r square. So I will use these 2 formulas also, okay. In this case is very easy. First we are looking the perimeter of question number 1. So we know that this is semicircle. So perimeter of this is equal pi r plus 2r. Means this whole length is pi r, and this full length is r plus r. And remember that full length is 8. So r is the half of 8, means 4. So once you know r, it is done. Like pi into 4 plus 2 into 4, that gives us, you can check in calculator as well. So here pi shift pi bracket open 4 bracket close, then plus 4 twos are 8, so that gives me 20.5. They want 3 significant figure, so I would say 20.6. 20.6. This is the answer, and write in centimeter. So this is first part, and then they want us find the area as well. Area of semicircle. So area of circle pi r squared. Fine. So divide by 2. And we know r already. Pi r is 4, but 4 squared over 2. Then check in your calculator. It is here we need pi shift pi bracket open 4 whole squared divided by 2. That gives us 8 pi, or in decimals, and this significant figure 25.1. So I would say that 25.1 centimeter square. I hope so it is clear. We try now question number 4, and in 4 we have 2 quarters of a circle, or quadrant of a circle, and one rectangle, as you can see that in the center. And remember that this side is 6, so it means radius is 6. This one is 6 height. So when you find okay, first we are looking the perimeter. So for perimeter we need 10. This is also 10. We will add 10 and 10, but we need this part. And remember that this part is basically pi r half of semicircle. Yes, pi r over 2. This part. And remember that this part is basically radius from here to here. So radius, we know that it is 6. So we can consider 6. Same as this part is also pi r over 2. And we are looking in perimeter, we are looking the outer lengths. Okay, one inner side. Look, inner side I'm not choosing. I'm choosing only the outer lengths, this side. So this side is 6 means, and we already know that this side, which is 10. So look, the perimeter of this shape is equal, if you try to make the rule, pi r over 2 plus pi r over 2 plus 6 plus 6 plus 10 plus 10, because 10 10 plus 6 plus 6, outer 6. Okay, not this one, not this one. Now we know that r is what, but pi r plus pi r, 2 pi r, you can add over 2. And 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 20 gives us 32. And this 2 and 2 we can cancel. So pi bracket open r is 6 plus 32. So we can check in calculator as well. The value of pi means pi shift pi bracket open 6 bracket close plus 32. It gives me 50.8. We are looking 3 significant figure. Okay, so I would say 50.8. This is the first answer, 50.8 centimeter. This is perimeter. Now we will check the area as well of the same shape, because they are asking two things. So for area, I will use the area of two quadrant, which are quadrant. I told you earlier, pi r square divided by 4, because it's fourth part of a circle. This one and this one, there are two. So again, pi r squared over 4. And the rest we have a rectangle inside. If you check this one carefully, 10 into 6. That how to find area of rectangle? Length into width means 10 multiplied by 6. So now r we know that, which is 6. And remember that we can simplify as well. This is basically both are same areas. So 2 pi r squared over 4 plus 60. 2 can cancel 4. So we have pi r. We can use the value of r as well. R is 6 whole square over 2 plus 60. So next we can check in calculator what it's coming. So here we have pi shift pi bracket open 6 whole squared over 2 and then plus 60. So it gives me 116.5. So as they want from us to write 3 significant figure, so I will round up 5. So it will affect on 6 as well. Means, okay, let me write first. It is 116.5 centimeter square. But these are 4 significant figure. If you want to write 3, you have to round off this one. So add 1 means 117 centimeter square. Here you have 3 significant figure. I hope so it is clear. And if you have any question, you can ask me. The recording. So we try now question number 2, and we will utilize the concept of arc length as well for perimeter, because first thing, for arc length you must know this angle is what. So outer angle is 90. So 360 minus 90, of course it is 270 degree, this interior angle are, yeah. And we are looking the outer length of this, and radius is 5, so this side is also 5, means the arc length of this arc length, we can apply the formula which is x over 360. So x is 270 here, okay? 270 over 360 multiply 2 pi r. R is 5. After this, you can check straight away in calculator. So we will see what is it. We check in the calculator. I'm getting 270 divide 360 multiply 2 shift pi multiply 5. I'm getting answer 23.6, okay? 23.6 centimeter, but this is not the full perimeter. We have to add 5 and 5 also. So now the perimeter of this whole shape is equal 23.6 plus 5 plus 5, which is equal 33, because 5 plus 5 10, so 33.6 centimeter. So this is the perimeter. Now how to find area of this shape? We have to find first sector area, and for sector area we will apply the same like angle. So look, the sector area, this is part B. Sector area formula, we apply 270 over 360 multiply pi r squared. R is 5, so 5 power 2. So if I check in the calculator again, it is 270 over 360 multiply pi, shift pi and bracket open, 5 squared. 5 squared, that gives me 58.9. So we can say that answer is 58.9 centimeter square. So this is the answer of area of this shape, as well as we find out the perimeter by using arc length formula and sector area. We have one or two more questions, like question number 9. And in this question 9, we are looking, find the minute hand of a clock is 80 millimeter long. How many meter does the end of the hand travel in 12 hours? So, of course, it's a circular shape. It's kind of circular shape, and we have one line which represent like analog clock, and it represent minutes. Okay, you can touch like that. So when it moves full one circle, that means 1 hour. Yes, after 60 minutes, it will complete full one circle. So for 1 hour, so we are looking for one circular distance is what. So for that, this radius will help us. So what is that radius? If we check carefully, it is given the radius is 80. That is a radius, yes, because the length of this is called radius. So that is 80 millimeter. If radius is given, we can find easily circumference. What is the formula of circumference? 2 pi r. So just replace the value. 2 pi r is 80, and then you can check in calculator. So we have 2 multiply our shift pi and bracket open 80. So I'm getting 160 pi, which is equal 502.65. So if I say that 502 502.65, it is in millimeter, remember. And now we will move onward. This is the distance or travel of 1 hour. They want for 12 hours. Yes, so multiply by 12. So we can say that if we bring the calculator again, the same answer you can multiply by 12. You'll get the answer. This is 6031.8 or 0.9. So here we can say that for 12 means how remember that how many meters, remember that we will change into meter as well. First, in 12 hours, or for this is for 1 hour, and for 12 hours it would be 502.65 multiplied by 12, which is equal 6031.86, but this is in millimeter. And remember that 1 meter equal 100 centimeter, but I want in millimeter. So in centimeter to millimeter multiply by 10. That means 1000 millimeter, 1 meter. But if you convert smaller unit to big unit, we divide by 1000. Yes, means 1 millimeter. How many meters? So 1/1000 meter. Yes, so they want answer in how many meters, means divide by 1000, we will get answer in meters, which is 6.031, and we can say that it is in meter. So this is our last answer of this question. Here, I hope so it is clear. So lastly, we will try question number 10. And in this question number 10, we have a car wheel has a diameter of 48 centimeter. So remember, if diameter is 48 centimeter, the radius is the half. Means 48 divided by 2, which is equal 24 centimeter. Now, how many revolutions means circular shape? Once they ask circular, that means we will think about circumference. One circular movement around an axis. So what is the circumference first? And does the wheel make on a journey of 12 kilometer? Give your answer to three significant figure. So first we will find out the first circular length is how much, means 2 pi r. So we know r. 2 pi r is 24. Again, I will check in calculator. So it gives me what? Let's have a look. 2 shift pi bracket open 24 bracket close. That gives me 150.8. Means we can say that 150.8, and it is in centimeter. So this is for one, but they say that the journey have the distance is 12 kilometer. Remember that 12 kilometer, if I say how many centimeter in 12 kilometer, because your one circular distance is in centimeter. So I want. So when we change kilometer to centimeter, multiply by 100,000. Means this is 1200,000 centimeter. Yes. 1, 2, 3, unit 10, 100,000. Means 120,000 centimeter. Multiply by 100,000, you will get this answer. So they are asking how many the car wheel will move, yeah, revolutions. So we have total distance. This means 120,000. How many numbers? 0, 2, 3. Yeah, divide by 150. 150.8. So let me check. It gives us what? So we have 1, 2, 120,000. Correct. One more zero. Yes. Divide by unit 10, 100,000, 10,000. This is 1 million, boys. 1,200,000. Divide by 150.8. So it gives me 7957. So better I write 7957.55 or 56. But remember that they want us what? They want three significant figure. So if I say write three significant figure, what it would be? I want till 5. Yes, means 795, but 5 change into 6, and this would be 0. So this is your answer for three significant figure. I hope so it is clear.